Most people get stuck because they try to create design from scratch. But one of the smartest ways to come up with new ideas is by remixing winning design. And when I say remixing, I don't mean copy. I mean taking the style, the layout, and the vibe of a design that's already working, then changing the niche, the tech, and the main graphic to create something brand new. For example, you could find a winning cat design and then remix that same style into a gardening design, a dog mom design, a teacher design, or any other niche. That's powerful because you're not just guessing from a blank page. You're starting with inspiration and then turning that into something new and original. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remix designs the right way with PODspy. So here I am on the main PODspy page. And I want to show you how to remix a design that you find as one of the templates on PODspy. There's thousands of them, in all different niches. So you can find a design that you like on PODspy. You can remix that. Or I'm going to also show you how to get an image from anywhere on the internet that you like, whether it be from Etsy, Pinterest, Temu, Sheen, anywhere. Those international sites actually have some really good designs to get inspiration from. So why not? So here we are on PODspy. With 4th of July coming up, I saw this design here, and it stands out to me. So I'm just going to go ahead and click that, and I'm going to remix it. I don't want to just use this design as is, even though it is a nice design. I don't want to just grab it because it's a public image. It's available to anyone. So I kind of want to remix it into something different that's going to be original to me, but we're going to keep this same aesthetic with the same style. Obviously this has some text at the top. It's based around an American flag with some kind of dessert in the middle, and then we have some years on the side and some text at the bottom regarding or related to 250 years. So I'm going to go ahead and just click remix, and I am going to remix the image. So when we click remix image, it's going to come here to our remix panel. If you wanted to change this design to a different niche, like you wanted the top text with a graphic in the middle and text on the side and the bottom, but you want it in like a cat niche, or you wanted it in a gardening niche, you can do that. You can just, type gardening niche here, and the AI would analyze this image and push it towards the gardening niche. Or you can just select from a list here. You can go down this list, and if a particular niche that you want to experiment in is on here, you can just select it, and you'll see it gets added here and sent to our AI. But in this case, like I said, 4th of July is coming up. I want to design for those type of for that audience. So I'm just gonna leave it as is, and I'm just gonna press remix. So what PODspy is gonna do, it's gonna analyze this design, like I said earlier, the placement of the text, what's like the overall style and aesthetics and the message, and then it's going to remix it. It's going to give you 4 prompts that you can choose from to create similar designs, but it's not going to look the same as this one. So I'll show you what I mean. Remember, the goal is to remix it. It's not to copy it. So we're just using AI as a tool to help speed up our process, because speaking for myself, I'm not a designer, so I definitely want to use AI, to the most advantage that I can. So we have our 4 prompts here. Now in each prompt, you have the ability to edit it. If there was anything specific that you wanted to change, you can do that. You can change the AI models that you use. Right now, GPT Image 2 is probably one of the best ones that's out there, but the other ones are really good. But in this case, I am going to stick to GPT-2 for this first one, and we'll leave it at 1 first square image. Now, while that one's going, I'm going to change this one to, let's go with Nano Banana 2, and I'm going to make this one a tall image. And then for the third one, I'm going to change it to Flux 2 Pro. I'm going to leave it square. And then for the last one, why not try Sea Dream? So I have 4 designs going simultaneously. They're all going to be based on this original design, but they're all should be different text, in this case, different desserts, because, the original design was a cake. We don't want a cake, because that's too close to the original. So let's see what we get here. So we have our images showing up here in the preview. Awesome. So our images are done. I'm going to close this here. I'm actually going to go to my library, and I can see what it created. So the first one here, Born Free, Baked Proud. We have our cupcake. It's a different, we have different text at the top, different design in the middle. This one is from Nano Banana. Um, Land of the free pie. I like that. America's 250th. Frosted and free. 250 strong. This one looks a little bit different. I like this one too. Stars, stripes, and scoops. Got some ice cream, like an ice cream sandwich celebrating 250. Honestly, all of these can be on a shirt. I can literally see all of these being used as designs. But in our case, we're just gonna pick one. Let's go with this one. I really like this one. Now, if there was anything that you wanted to change, say you didn't wanted to say born free baked proud, you wanted it to say something else. You can click this edit text button here, and it's gonna analyze again this image, and it's gonna bring back the text that it finds. So you see born free baked proud 1776 2026, honoring 250 years. So if I didn't want it to say born free and I wanted it to say something else, I can just type something else here and then press submit, and it's going to regenerate this design exactly the same, but it's just going to change that one piece, because obviously in that case we like everything else, but we just wanted to say something else. But in this case, I think it looks good. Born free, baked proud. So I'm just going to leave as is, and I'm going to go ahead and press enhance. So what enhance does, it's going to go ahead and remove the background on the image plus upscale it at the same time. So here we go. We have our upscaled and background removed image. There we go. Took a couple minutes. We have a brand new design. Now, be honest, if you were to start from scratch in a design program, you would have to look for a font. You would have to place the font. Now you have to go find a graphic. Now you have to find some lines to put in. You have to align everything. You have to even think of what you're going to say. I wouldn't even thought of this. Born free, baked proud. So a design like this would have took a beginner quite a little bit of time to come up with it, but we did it in just a few minutes. It's a brand new design. It's not copied or stolen from anywhere, and that's the key to remixing designs. All right, so now I want to show you how we can remix designs from anywhere. Not to mention, I have remixed designs like just walking at a store, at a mall, just take a picture with my phone of a cool graphic tee and just drop it right into PODspy and remix it. And then when I get home, I open up the desktop and I continue the process. But that's also one way to do it. There's inspiration anywhere. So anyway, all right, so I'm on Etsy. Normally with Etsy, what I like to do is look up a niche and then try to find the best sellers in that niche. So just because I already saw tired moms here, I'm just going to put tired moms shirt. And then once we get our results, I'm going to show filters. I'm going to click Etsy's best star seller. And then I'm actually going to change this star. I'm going to delete it in the URL and type best. And then when you press enter, now you should have this filter that previously was not there. And these are all the top sellers, the best sellers, the most popular shirts right now. Let's go with this one, Overstimulated Moms Club. All right, so it looks like they have a couple different colors. I'm gonna go with the one that's the easiest that is not obstructed and is maybe like the easiest to take a screenshot from. So I'm gonna screenshot it and I'm gonna go back to PODspy remix. We're in the remix tool. So Overstimulated Moms. You know what, for this one, since we didn't change the niche on the last one, we're going to change the niche for this one. Overstimulated Moms Club. So let's change this to let's say it's summertime. Let's say Family Cruise 2026. So we're trying to sell in the family cruise niche. Let's see what we get here. So in this design, we have text at the top. We have some cool flowers in the middle, and then Mom's Club at the bottom. So let's see what PODspy gives us for a remix in a different niche. All right, so we have our 4 generations here. And I'm just gonna start generating here. We actually just dropped Sea Dream 5 light last night, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that. Let me get 2 of those, and I'm gonna do a tall image. So I got 2 ChatGPT square images and 2 Sea Dream 5s, 1 square and 1 tall aspect ratio. So let's see what we get. All right, so we got our 4 designs here. Let's take a look at them. So this was the Sea Dream Light one. All right. So obviously the first image that we gave it was a floral image. So with the floral being, the main part of the image, it kind of kept the floral design. But as you can see, it did change the text to cruise related text. So one thing, what I would do, obviously the floral wouldn't really make sense. I like the way this is set out, the colors. I like the way the text was written. So I'm gonna say something like, replace the flowers with a cruise ship in the same illustration style. Keep everything else the same. And here we go, guys. Now we have a beautiful original design that came from this to this. Look, I'll put them side by side. So this was just like a launch point, like a starting point to guide the AI in a style that we kind of wanted, that we thought was nice, and this is what we came up with. So we're just using, we're just getting ideas from anywhere on the net. We're bringing them into PODspy, letting PODspy do its thing, and then we can start tweaking it from there. All right, so here we are in Pinterest, and I'm just gonna type funny gardening shirts. I don't know. And I'm just gonna kind of look through here and find something that sticks out to me. Hoeing ain't easy. This one looks cool. This one actually takes me to Sheen. All right, so we have our design here. I'm just gonna take a screenshot of it. It looks like fruit shirts are in right now. And I'm gonna go back to PODspy and I'm gonna paste it. Now this time, instead of clicking remix, I'm gonna turn on Feeling Lucky. What Feeling Lucky does, it skips the whole remix prompt section and it just goes to generating 4 images. So it saves you a little bit of time and you're kind of just throwing it into the hands of the AI. And in this case, I am going to, this was kind of a taller image, so I'm going to change it to 2:3. I'm going to keep it in the same style. I really don't have anything that I want to change about it at the moment. So I'm just going to click Feeling Lucky and I'm going to press Remix. And as you can see, it skips the prompt. It skips the prompting and the selection of the AIs, of the AI models. What it does, it goes straight into image generation and it selects 4 different models. So this one could be GPT, this one could be Nano Banana, this one could be Flux, and this one could be Sea Dream. So it's going to randomly select 4 models with 4 different prompts and it's going to spit them out for you. So let's see what we get. All right, guys. So look at that. We have 4 completely separate designs that don't look like you took any inspiration from this. Obviously, behind the scenes, you took a little bit of inspiration, but nobody could ever say, "Oh, you got that design from this." They look too different. So easy as that, guys. That literally took 3 minutes, maybe. From the time I went to Sheen, I screenshotted it, brought it back, and clicked Feeling Lucky and Remix, and all 4 images were on my screen. Look at this. This can easily be put on a nice light purple, light yellow shirt, like a cream color shirt, This one the same. This can be on a white shirt or a cream colored shirt. Now all of these can be used, you know. So if all of the if you like all of the designs, look, you have four designs that you could turn into products. Um, these are perfectly these are perfect designs to be thrown on a shirt, or any other product that you're trying to sell. Now, if there's something about this image that you want to further edit, you can do that. You can start chatting with the AI here. One thing, just off the top of my head, these looks a little too clean, so I would say something like add a distress effect across the entire design. So here we go. Now we have a distress effect, and then whenever we remove the background, all of this should be gone, and now we have just the effect on the actual design, guys. So this is the power of remixing with PODspy. You take a design that you like from anywhere on the internet or from here on PODspy with the thousands of templates that we have available, and you start remixing it. The best part is that we're using AI, so every change that you make is every image that you create, every design that you create, it's just a couple of minutes. You're not spending hours on a design, hours chatting back and forth with a AI prompting tool. You're just coming in here, clicking some buttons, getting some designs, and pushing out your products. So anyway, thank you guys for your time. I appreciate you tuning in. If you enjoyed the video and you got anything out of it, please like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one.